It is really a profound honor to welcome you to our World Congress of Psychiatry.
WCP is the only truly global conference in psychiatry.
Well-organized international congress.
An attempt to bring together people of different specialities within psychiatry to be together and to learn from one another.
It's very inspiring, and it gives you ideas for your own research as well.
I think it's the energy, it's the landscape of psychiatry, which looks very different, young, energetic, lots of new ideas and people willing to network.
To share experience and knowledge.
To see what's going on out there in the world too.
So that we don't risk becoming isolated in our own bubble.
We work locally, but we also need to interact globally, and that's what WCP is about.
There are people from everywhere, and that's an opportunity we don't really get.
Presentations from almost anywhere in the world.
Voices from every region, culture, and this diversity creates an extraordinary richness of perspectives.
It really is a gathering of thought leaders, but also a chance to mentor others. And so you really have a chance to hear the cutting-edge science.
With my experience at WCP this time, it's certainly going to be on my mind next year.
So I look forward to getting together in Sweden next year.